Assalamu alaikum dear students and viewers, hope you are all fine. In the previous lecture we discussed how price elasticity of demand is measured, and in that discussion we also explained the proportionate method of measuring price elasticity of demand, and there you come to know that we make use of a relation in the form of P by Q into del Q by del P, and through that relation we calculate the price elasticity of डिमांड और हमने कुछ एग्जांपल्स भी ली, इलस्ट्रेशंस भी ली और कैसे ये कैलकुलेट हम करते हैं. नाउ लेट्स कंटिन्यू आवर डिस्कशन विद द सेम टॉपिक एंड टेक अनदर मेथड of measuring price elasticity of demand. The method we are to discuss today is the point method और point elasticity method, जिसे हम ग्राफिक मेथड भी कहते हैं. ये सिंपल मेथड है. इसमें हम सिंपली elasticity of demand को मेजर करते हैं ऑन ए स्ट्रेट लाइन डिमांड करो. What here we do, we simply take a straight line demand curve and measure price elasticity of demand on that curve. To illustrate the method, हमने एक straight line demand curve ली है MN, right? In order to measure elasticity of demand at any point on this curve, what we do, the lower portion from that point is divided by the upper portion of the same point, right? Let us take P for example. At point, if we want to measure elasticity of demand at point P, which is also the midpoint of this curve, what we do, we divide the lower segment by the upper segment, that is Pn by Pm. What we simply here we do, here we write as elasticity of demand is equal to lower segment of demand curve and divided by upper segment, that is Pn by Pm, Pn by Pm. Now let us take first the point N, point P. Since it is situated at the middle of the curve, here elasticity of demand will be equal to Pn by Pm. Pn is the lower segment and Pm is the upper segment. Since it's a midpoint and divides the line into two equal parts, we get here elasticity of demand as unity. That's 1. Because suppose we say that the distance from Pn and Pm is 5 and 5. So 5 divided by 5 will be 1. Are you getting me? Let us take another point. Let it be this point B. If we want to calculate at B, then elasticity of demand at point B will be equal to Bn by Bm, that's lower segment by upper segment. Since the lower part is less than the upper part, if we take the same proportion like this 5 by 5, then it will be 2.5 by 7.5 for example. So we will get 1 by 3, which is less than unity. So at point B, elasticity of demand will be less than unity. Now let us take point A. Here the lower portion will be An and the upper will be Am. Since lower is greater than upper, that is 7.5 by 2.5, we will get it as 3, which is greater than unity. So here elasticity of demand will be greater than unity, right? From this measurement we come to know that at midpoint of a straight line demand curve, let it be B, here elasticity of demand is equal to unity. At point C it is less than unity, and at point A elasticity of demand is greater than unity. Now what about this point? Let it be m. And then what about this point? Let it be n. Here at point n, elasticity of demand is equal to 0, perfectly inelastic. And at point m, elasticity of demand will be equal to infinity. पहले ही मैं आपसे कह चुका हूँ, न इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड इन्फिनिटी होती है न ज़ीरो होती है. फिर क्या होती है? इट वेरीज विद इन दीज टू लिमिट्स. वी कैन से दैट ज़ीरो इज़ लेस देन इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड इज़ लेस देन इन्फिनिटी. ज़ीरो से ज़्यादा हो सकती है, इन्फिनिटी से कम हो सकती है. वो रेंजेस क्या है? इट कुड बी इक्वल टू यूनिटी, इट कुड बी लेस देन यूनिटी, इट कुड बी ग्रेटर देन यूनिटी. न ज़ीरो हो सकती है न इन्फिनिटी हो सकती है. फिर क्या हो सकती है? ग्रेटर देन ज़ीरो बट लेस देन इन्फिनिटी इन रियल लाइफ. वो रेंज क्या है? 1, लेस देन 1, ग्रेटर देन 1. दैट्स लेस देन यूनिटी, ग्रेटर देन यूनिटी आर इक्वल टू यूनिटी. राइट? दिस इज हाउ वी कैलकुलेट प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड ऑन ए स्ट्रेट लाइन डिमांड करो. सिंपली याद रखना है आपने दैट यू हैव टू टेक ए स्ट्रेट लाइन डिमांड करो एंड measure price elasticity. How to measure? To take the lower segment and divide it by the upper segment. You can measure elasticity of demand at any point on the straight line demand करो. Straight line याद रखना है, straight line होनी चाहिए. Lower segment is divided by the upper segment from the same point. Let it be our P. We have to divide Pn by Pm. The simple procedure. So we have discussed two methods. First, the proportionate method, where we make the use of the relation del Q by del P into P by Q. And here we take a straight line demand curve. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will discuss the total outlay or total expenditure method. तब तक के लिए you have to keep in mind that consulting a book is important for you. You will get numerous examples there. In case you find any problem in solving any problem through this point method or the proportionate method, you can consult me. I am at your disposal. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. God bless you all.